Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you about a very good project Trista community where you can do simple tasks and earn TLC tokens of a great values. Like if you see these things, if you join the Telegram, they are gonna give you 1 USDT. If you upload a video regarding their task, you are gonna get 10 USDT. As same as if you share their poster, they are if you share them on different groups and other tasks also. So if you gonna complete all these tasks, you gonna win huge profit. So this is a very nice project. So here is one condition: you can do all these tasks without adding anything, but if you want to complete the YouTube task where you gonna get 10 USDT, you have to deposit minimum 0.1 TWFI token. So where you gonna get TWFI token, I'm gonna show you. Just coming to home screen, if you are looking at AOFEX, you have to come to AOFEX exchange app. Here you have to search TWFI and USDT pair. Here you can buy, from here you can buy TWFI token and transfer to your Heco chain wallet. As you can see, if I am gonna show you, I have already, if you can see, I have already deposited TWFI tokens. So I'm gonna complete some task. So for depositing TWFI token, for completing a task, you have to come to our Tristerland's website. So after coming to Tristerland's website, if you are seeing that TWFI token logo, just simply tap on it. It will be, there will be some loading. After loading, just come down and you are gonna see a deposit button in pink color. So just tap on deposit button and enter the amount. As I have said, you have to deposit minimum 0.1 TWFI token. So I am gonna deposit 0.1 TWFI token. Just simply I'm gonna tap on deposit. You have to, you need to have some ST token for paying the fees. So manage some ST tokens for paying the fees so that you can complete a task easily. So I'm gonna confirm the payment and I'm gonna put the password and okay. So I have confirmed the payment once. On depositing, you have to confirm the payment twice, so don't panic. Again I'm gonna confirm the payment and the process is started and my TWFI token will be deposited after some 2 or 3 seconds. As you can see, there is loading. After loading, you will see that my TWFI token has been deposited. You can see from here. After that, if you wanna withdraw, you can also withdraw the token. So this is the another matter. Now let's come to their main website where you have to complete the task. So on coming that this website, you can see that now I can submit, my submit button is enabled. I can submit the task of YouTube. So if I put the YouTube link related their videos, so if my link or my video will be verified, I will be rewarded 10 USDT worth TLC token after reviewing my things. So how you can complete the task? So if I tell about one task, so here it is saying comment on tweet and tag two friends, tag TWFI and TLC. If you gonna complete this task related to tweet, the tweet link given down just below, if you gonna do all these tasks with this tweet, then you wanna get 1 USDT worth TLC token. What you have to do, just simply do the task and copy your tweet link and paste over here. After pasting, just click on submit button. I'm unable to do this because there are no copies available. When there will be copies, you will see the submit button. Just simply paste your tweet link and click on submit and pay some fees. After paying the fees, your task will be submitted and gone for review. After approval, you will be rewarded 1 USDT worth TLC token. So I hope all these tasks are clear for you and how you can deposit TWFI token. So if you like this video, just simply hit the like button and share with your friends. Bye bye.